This video will focus on problems of not using dependency injection design patterns. So when you create a project in Android Studio, you will simply get this main activity class. And I have created these three classes, two called Facebook API and Google API. And these two simply have send message methods. And there's a TextService class, which is going to use either Facebook API or Google API to handle message. And let me say that for now, this is going to use Facebook API to handle the messages. And it's going to receive Facebook API in the constructor. So whenever someone wants to instantiate this class, they need to pass in this Facebook API. And the implementation here will be just using this Facebook API to send message. So far so good. So how would you instantiate this TextService class? So this one requires a Facebook API instance. So you would make Facebook API first, and then pass the Facebook API to construct TextService. And then you will simply do handle message and then just pass in the message. Yay. So it works perfectly fine, no problem. But the problem arises when you try to change the implementation of TextService class. Let's say instead of Facebook API, I want to use Google API. So this one is gone. So constructor will receive Google API instead. And handle message method will use Google API to handle the messages. Then in the main activity class, now there's a compile time error because TextService class needs to accept Google API, not the Facebook API. Then you need to go change, instead of instantiating Facebook API, you need to instantiate Google API and pass that in to use the TextService. This is not bad because it's being used only in a single class. But let's say not just main activity, but second activity, third activity, millions of other activities are using this TextService class. It's going to be really painful to go through each classes and manually change all those instantiation methods. So that's where the dependency injection design pattern comes in. Please watch the next video to understand how DI solves these kind of problems. And also visit the blog in the description to get the code, the working code, and more information about the problems of not using dependency injection.